leave people where you're supposed to they interview people where no get. Interview our governor. So Ludo, you need to put him on the hot seat. And the way they take ask question. Honorable Senator, I put it to y'all that the GP, I'm in English, you know, they work well. So, but I know you know where I'm going. So you ask him, the security vote money that is being sent to Anambra State, what do you do with it? He will answer you, I didn't do gachi.
FunnyBone live.
Ndiro munta. When I think say from him markets and walk out here back one oh bye. The man dead here, boy, forget. Who we work even over? Why near? One no way we don't dead here. Our governor is trying. Soludo has problem with native doctors. As he impact all the native doctors lock, they can't send one champ go meet his son for London. Diobara mad. Person firstborn. Even that charm where they send, even affect him. He go UK, he don't know when he begin follow his son. I wanna bigger. I wanna bigger. A whole governor. I wanna bigger. We don't enter one chance for Anambra State. The latest one now. Deji, Shehu, God bless you. This is why they talk. After analyzing, they leave people where you're supposed to they interview people where no get. Interview our governor. So Ludo, you need to put him on the hot seat. And the way they take ask question. Honorable Senator, I put it to y'all that the GP, I'm in English, you know, they work well. So, but I know you know where I'm going. So you ask him, the security vote money that is being sent to Anambra State, what do you do with it? He will answer you, I didn't do gachi. Oh boy, Anambra State now, the only thing where they give us joy now, no do major. In Daboski. That guy now my guy for real. Odumeje no need talk too much for demon. As he look you, he suspect saying Obanje they hold you. Hey, Mbe. You see now wa. Odumeje I don't get problem with graduates. As he look you, are you a graduate? You're a graduate? What is your course? That is what is your course. Huh? What? Huh? Eh? Pori what? Eh? Public expression. Public what? Eh? Public administration. Okay. It's a public movement. Oh, boy. I'm just very happy that people are coming out in Abuja to laugh, enjoy themselves, even in this hard time of this country. It can't be like, say, we and Una, no, they're the same country. Because the thing where we face furniture is different from. See, everybody sit down, they listen to joke. If we sit down, we know they sit down normal. As we sit down, the comedian they crack joke. One man from Obuko Bosigo asked a neighbor, Odobukeri on a coiri. Say it's a comedian on a bandem madam. Manamubo no mamweba. Don't worry, follow him, listen to him, you will understand. Now they will come do mistake, bring artists. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome one of the Nigerians' favorite, finest musical artists, Two-Face. Two-Face go come out. Yeah, go come climb table. He go sit down, look you. And I will table. If we see an 80 muro, or they go like a vitamin. How many of you know say one of our brother chief priests is now is now a professional musician and he's winning Grammy next year. If you love him, make some noise, eh? You know saying your God there, Obi? And chief priests, they follow Obi Kubana footstep. They copy everything way they do. To the extent say, in copy the way we Obi they take show love to his wife. Obi go come wear suit, finish, his wife go come out. Obi go come bend down, tie in wife sandals. Chief priest can't go copy and forget saying Bele and Obi Bele no be something. Now you look in wife. Morena water. Ijele wine. What are you saying? Stand, let me tie you. Now, he don't tie and finish. The problem not to stand up. If Ogbuefi they try, no, not the clap now. Funny, wait, might drop the remaining one. You know, say, Pascal, you know, say, chief priest go perform tonight. You want to see him perform, right? It's lovely on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome chief priest. You go see him. Normally, if not Davido, madam, duro. Come on, chief priest. Somebody na me chase up, okay, some.
FunnyBone Live.